Hello guys, today we're gonna be drawing this Smurf cat and we'll be using some materials from my mom's studio. I'm gonna be using this acrylic ink and Brusho. So let's get on with it. Now we have to use the acrylic ink drop to make some drops of color. I added too much yellow. I'm gonna add some of this and some blue. I don't have to worry about my Smurf cat because I'll paint him with Posca and they will paint over my watercolor. The next step would be to move the watercolor by moving the whole canvas. And now I will cover all the white space with this brush. I like this part because the yellow mixes with the blue and it makes this beautiful green. Well, I like it how it looks, so now let's try how the Brusho works. So now let's start with the Brusho. While your canvas is still with water, you can add even more water to lighten your colors. I will use this color and I'll add it. And I think that's enough. So let me just finish the one that's already on my brush. Excellent. I would like to add more blue, so I'm gonna put some here. And I will do this. And there it is. I really like how it turned out. Now the next step would be to make my Smurf cat with my Posca. So now I'll wait for this to dry. Okay, now with this, I will do the white parts. Okay, this took way longer than I expected. At least I have the white parts now done, which were the hardest parts because I have to do them with this thing. So now let's draw the actual Smurf cat. This will be the fun part. Okay, now I just gotta add the shadow and some details to the white parts. Oh, I forgot to add its little tail. There I have it. Now I will add some shadows. Now I'll add the ground where my Smurf cat is walking. And let me just do this, the magic snap. So here's the final result. Tell me if you liked it.